Welcome back to Leverage Your Spark. I'm Brandy Lawson here riding shotgun with you as we navigate the unpredictable world of running a business. Today we're breaking out our sleuthing kit as we go looking for problem areas in your business that are making off with your time, energy, and money. We refer to these as leaks in your business. I don't know of anyone that doesn't aspire to be running a seamless business operation. Clients singing praises, employees high-fiving, and the business being a profit machine. But more often than not, we find ourselves derailed from important tasks and projects and instead spending our precious resources on non-priority to-do lists longer than a CVS receipt. Why are those things so long? Anyhow, let's get a little sciencey for a second and actually define efficiency. Efficiency is often measured as the ratio of useful output to total input. So if you're putting in 7 hours of work a day, wouldn't you like to be getting as close to 7 hours of useful output as possible? And you probably want that for your team too. Now that we know that what we're after, it's back to detective mode. We need to find those sneaky little inefficiencies. So where do we start? We begin by identifying the leaks in our business. These are areas where we're losing time, energy, and money. They're inefficiencies that need our attention. Often, these leaks are easier to spot than you think. A common area? Regular meetings. Now, not all recurring meetings are unproductive, but they're often overlooked sources of inefficiency. So maybe ask yourself these couple questions. First, why do we have this meeting? That is, what's its purpose? And second, is this meeting serving its purpose? Third, what can we change to better utilize our time, energy, and resources? So now that you've asked yourself these questions for meetings, these same questions can also help identify leaks in other areas of your business as well. By improving efficiency, you free up resources for other tasks and projects. Improved efficiency means growth strategies become more achievable, client satisfaction increases, and employee morale improves. It's a win-win-win scenario. If you enjoyed this episode, you can head over to leverageourspark.com to subscribe, leave us a review, or share with a friend. Everyone deserves to have less stress and more impact. I'll see you in the next episode. And until then, keep leveraging your spark to ignite possibility for ease and profit. Oh, and efficiency.